Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out here today in Hartville picking up a post-mitigation test for a realtor friend of ours who was getting a house done next door to her own house. And we are looking at an original test score over 4.0, and we were able to bring that down to 0.4. So fantastic average. You can see here we did a sub-slab depressurization as well as a block wall depressurization to hit the crawl spaces on the other side of the wall here. But this is our sub-slab depressurization. You can see the meter on the pipe there showing how much draw we're getting off the fan, which is solid. And then we actually ran it up along the ceiling line here, dropped it down, and then block walled it into the area below the sub-slab and the crawl space on the other side of the wall there. All in all, very fantastic mitigation here. Again, from Radon Eliminator. Thanks for checking us out. Make sure you stay tuned for more content.